Hello friends, this is Adrika Vadare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're going to learn about mathematical operators in Python. So here I will make a new file, tude4.py. Okay, so there are different types of mathematical operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division. These are some mathematical operators that you must have known. But in Python there are floor division and modulus also. And there is exponent also which is used for raising powers. Okay. So here I will write print 5 plus 5. So obviously it will give 10, right? See. And here minus multiplication and division. See, minus, in addition there is 10, in minus there is 0, multiplication 25, and divide it is 1.0. So guys, as you can see, in division it gave us a float value, right? But if you want to get only the integer part, whole number, so what will you do? You will write print 5 floor division 5. It will give only 1. See, it gave only 1, right? So suppose let's take 5 floor division 4. 4. Okay. So as you can see, it is giving only 1. It is only giving the integer part. But actually, what's the answer? Let's see the actual answer. Just remove the floor division and give a division sign. You can see 1.25 is the real value. But if you give the floor division, it will give you the answer as 1. It will only give the integer part. Okay. Now next one is modulus. So modulus gives us the remainder. Suppose we have 10 divide mod 9. Okay, 10 mod 9. So when we will divide 10 by 9, it will give us the remainder 1. Okay. So now let's see exponent. Here if we give 2 exponent 3, that means 2 is raised to the power 3. So the answer is 8, right? If you write like this, first number and then second number, and between them there is exponent, the first number will be raised to the power to second number. Okay, first number will be raised to the power of second number. So exponent sign is double multiplication, right? As you can see here. Now let's see which sign has more value. Okay, so guys, as you know, in mathematics we use BODMAS, right? First we calculate bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction, right? Like that only we use values of different types of operators to calculate the answer. Okay, so here Suppose we write print 4 plus 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. So the answer is 10. Let me comment these all out so that answer will be clear to you. See, the answer is 10. So in this, multiplication has higher value than addition. That's why first it calculated multiplication. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and then it added 4 plus 6. Okay. So the answer is 10. Now if you use brackets here, if you close 4 plus 2 inside parenthesis and then write multiply by 3, so see, it is 18, right? 4 plus 2 6, 6 3s 18. So it is giving the answer as 18. Okay. Now, so if we write here print 5 exponent 2 exponent 2. So here it will be 625, right? So why is it 625? Because here it is also exponent and here it is also exponent. So it should have calculated directly. So let me tell you that exponents have values increasing from right to left. Right to left means first it will calculate the right value, right exponent. So in right side there is 2 exponent 2, which is 4, and then it will calculate the left exponent. So now 5 exponent 4 will be 625. Okay. So that's why first it has calculated this one and then it has calculated this 5 to the value of this. Okay. So now if you add a string to an integer, I've told you about it in my previous videos also. So if I print hello plus and add a number 5, it will throw an error because it cannot add integer to a string, nor it can concatenate a string to an integer. Okay. So but if we write here hello multiply 5, see what will happen. Hello will repeat itself 5 times. Let me give a space here so that you can see. See, hello has repeated itself 5 times. So that is clear that if we add a string to an integer, it will throw an error. But if we multiply a string to an integer, it will multiply itself, it will repeat itself the time we have given the number. Okay, suppose we have given 5, so it will repeat itself 5 times. If we have given 2, it will repeat itself 2 times. Okay, hope it is clear. So that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. I will give the code in the description box. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will give you the answer. So see you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end.